Hi everyone, welcome back to my lab and today's video, which is going to be my January Boxycharm Premium unboxing. What you're about to see are my unfiltered and unbiased opinion about the items that are going to be in my box. I am in no way affiliated with Boxycharm. I purchased my own subscription, I pay for all my products, and I have no qualms about sharing what I really think. I like to share my unboxings because there's a great many variations, and I think it's fun to see what everybody got. Before we get into the unboxing, if you're new here, I'm Jody. Thank you for joining me for today's video. I hope you're going to enjoy this one and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. We're a growing little family here. We are low-key and drama-free and just about the makeup. So if that sounds like something you might enjoy, then consider joining us. Thank you to my returning subscribers. I really appreciate your continued love and support. And a special thank you to the first 5 commenters on my previous video. Those that have YouTube channels will have the YouTube logo and be linked down below as well. Now, without any further delay, let's go ahead and get into the box. Alright, so as you can see, the inside of the box is blue, which identifies the Boxy Premium. I have already unboxed my Boxy base box, which came really early this month, so I will link that up in the cards in case you'd like to check that one out. But the theme for the Boxy Premium is the same as the base box, which is Fresh Start, and I have a very long variation number, which I'll include at the end of the video, along with the total of all of the items. The first item in my box is from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I grabbed mine in the shade Butter. This was my choice item for the month. Here's what that product looks like, and I believe you have the option to choose between different shades. I have had the opportunity to since try a small sample size that I got in Sephora of this product, and I think it's okay. I honestly don't use a lot of powders, but of the products that were given to me as choice, this was the one that appealed to me the most, and it's always exciting to get a brand like Fenty Beauty in the box. According to the card, this is a powder that isn't going to flash back. It comes in 8 shades, which is really great. And then it works all day to blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections. The retail price of the Fenty Beauty powder is $32. The next item in the box is by PMD. I've gotten something from PMD in the past. It's one of those electronic facial cleansers. They're very similar to the Foreos. To be perfectly honest, I don't love those. I prefer the Clarisonic. Maybe I'm old school, but I'm still heartbroken about my Clarisonic. That aside, this is the Silver Pure TM Infused Microfiber Makeup Removing Cloth. I actually have the makeup erasers, which are also like microfiber cloths, and I really enjoy using them to remove my makeup. Essentially, I'll still go in with my cleansing balm and I'll rinse my face, and then I will wipe off the residue with a cloth like this one, and it works really well to remove the makeup. It removes all traces of makeup, so I'm really excited to have this. According to the card, this one retails for $30, and it says that you can remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver. I don't know about anti-aging, but I do know that having pure silver infused into the fibers does give it an antibacterial property. I'm very excited to have this. I'm always using these. I can definitely find something more affordable with the makeup eraser. You can find those at TJ Maxx as well, or you can buy microfiber cloths on Amazon, but I will gladly take this one coming in the box. Good item. The next item in my box is by Fenty Beauty, and this is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I don't have this mascara. I may have a sample. But I haven't tried it yet. So I'm very excited to have this one in my box. It says All Out Volume Eye-Opening Lift and Curl Ultimate Long Wear Exclusive Flat to Fat Brush. Very interesting. According to the card, this retails for $24, and it does have 2 sides on the brush. There's the fat side to load and lift lashes, and the flat side to define and curl. I wish it would say separating. I like mascaras that separate, but either way, I know that this is a mascara that's gotten really good reviews. It's definitely a high-end product, so I'm more than happy to receive it in my box. Next, we have something by Lashes MD, and this is the eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. I typically use New Lash, but I'm definitely open to trying out another product. These are like lash growing serums, if I'm not mistaken. I'm looking for some instructions here, and I'm not seeing any. Okay, it says insert. Use once a day at bedtime. Remove eye makeup with a mild cleanser. Apply a thin line of Lashes MD at the base of the upper and lower lashes as though applying eyeliner, and can be applied to the root of the eyebrows as well. So it seems like it's a product that you can use the same as you use New Lash, which is just a small applicator and you run it across the base of your eyelashes. I think that it's nice to condition your eyelashes, and I do find that my eyelashes grow a little bit longer, a little bit stronger when I'm using a product like this one. I recently ran out of my New Lash, and I'm currently using something from Monica Dar that I received in an IAI beauty box some time back, and that one actually applies like a mascara, which I actually enjoy because the brush is like plastic bristles and I feel like I can really get into the root of my lashes. But I'm definitely happy to refill on a lash serum since it's a product that I do enjoy using, and I'm not familiar with this brand, Lashes MD. Retail price of this one, $69.95, which is super, super pricey. On the card, it does say you can use it on your brows as well. I have pretty good brows, and so I don't apply it to my brows. I'm going to reserve it for my lashes. Next item in the box is by Ofra Cosmetics, and it's not in any kind of box, but this is the Mini Mix palette. I did actually see this on some spoilers. I like to watch Boxycharm spoilers as well. Ooh, one is almost shattered. Here's what that one looks like. So let me remove. Okay, so when I remove it, you can see like some of the shades are a little bit splattered, but it's not too bad. Beautiful shades. I do love the Ofra highlighters, which is the one that's in this one, all of the lights. So I guess it's a combination of all of the highlighters. Very nice. And you also have a blush and bronzer. So it's kind of an all-in-one face palette. Very pretty. Loving this mint green shade here. Aside from their lip products and their highlighters, I'm not too familiar with Ofra products, so I'm definitely excited to try this one. According to the card, this one retails for $39 and it is a mini full face palette. Looks like the shades are actually oh yeah, they are magnetized in the pan, so you can kind of switch them around as well, which is kind of nice. Definitely like it. There's no mirror on the palette, but it does say "Smile, you are beautiful," which I'll definitely take the compliment. There's just one more item in my box, and this is where I have to issue a warning. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, and when I first learned that we were going to be receiving this in the box, I was really, really excited because I don't know if you remember when this first launched, everybody was making such a fuss about it and they were really loving this product. And here's what it looks like. I was seeing this on everybody's channels, everybody's favorites. Basically, it's just a hydrating mask you are supposed to use on cleansed, dry skin. Apply a thin, even layer with fingertips. Maybe used under and over the eye area. Leave for 10 minutes and then blot with a warm cloth if necessary. No need to rinse. So kind of like a sleeping mask, I would say, that you can just leave on overnight. Like I said, I was super excited about receiving this product in the box because it was so hyped, and Summer Fridays is a brand that is really highly celebrated. However, if you're a Boxycharm Premium subscriber, I think everybody would have received this in their box. They sent out an email with a letter from the manufacturer, so Summer Fridays, indicating that some of the batches that are included in the Boxycharm were giving people reactions, and that they did a little bit of a study and they found that some of the batches were compromised. They literally used the term compromised, and that you should spot test like under your chin or behind your ear to see if you're going to have a reaction to this product. I don't know how I feel about that. Actually, I know exactly how I feel about that. I think that's really irresponsible. How are you going to tell somebody that their product that they received is compromised and expect them to continue to use it? Now, I realize that it may be only a small percentage of people that are reporting issues with this product, but it's in my opinion that if you put a product like this in a box, it's to get people to try it so that maybe they'll like it and continue repurchasing it in the future at full retail price. But if the product that you're putting in the box is not the same as the product that you sell regularly, how are we supposed to know if we like it? And then on top of that, how can you suggest that we actually use compromised product? Now, I was reading the letter in great detail, and it seemed to me that maybe the batch was contaminated with essential oils at the third-party manufacturing lab that they used to create the Boxycharm products. But now, mind you, this is me interpreting the letter that was sent out to everybody. I highly encourage you to read it for yourself and come up with your own opinion. but it just really rubbed me the wrong way that they didn't disclose what batch codes were affected so that you would know if you're receiving something that's not their specific formula. They did say that they're going to do better by doing more specific testing and removing essential oils from the formula. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I'm not as excited about it as I was before, that's for sure. And ordinarily, when I know I'm not going to get any use out of a product that I get in a box, usually I'll put in a giveaway, but I don't feel comfortable giving this away, knowing what I know based on that letter. So I'm just going to hold on to it for now. I don't have sensitive skin, so I may do the patch test. I haven't had any kind of reactions to essential oils when they are in products, like for instance, the Nude Sticks foundation. But if you haven't read that email, please read it so that you can make an informed decision on whether or not this is something that you want to actually apply to your face. As of right now, I'm not exactly sure. I may do the patch test. I may just declutter it, but it's a real shame. Right? It's a real shame. I've said my piece. I didn't want to go into some big, huge rant. I just kind of wanted to draw attention to that issue because I know that sometimes we get a lot of emails and we may not necessarily read through all of them. And if that was the case for you, then I'm just letting you know so that you can make a better decision on whether or not you're going to use that product. All that aside, and pushing the jet lag mask aside, I still think that the value of my box was worth the $35 and change that I pay for it every single month. I do like the box, and had this Summer Fridays mask not been compromised, I would have rated this box really, really highly, like maybe like a 4.5. But because I'm pretty much going to assume that this product wasn't even there, then I'm going to rate the box at like a 4 stars. I think that, you know, we have Fenty Beauty and we have a product from Ofra as well. My personal favorite, I think, is going to be the Fenty Beauty mascara in terms of my excitement level because I haven't tried it out. But overall, I think everything is great. And this is the first time in a long time that I actually hold on to everything that's in my box. So that's a good sign. I'll go ahead and put the value of the box along with the variation number here on the screen so we know what the value of my box was. If you're interested in joining Boxycharm, I do have my referral link in the description box down below. That is not an affiliate link. It is just a customer referral link that you would have as well if you are a paying customer. Let me know what you thought of the products that I received, if you received anything different, and what you liked best out of your box. I'd also love to hear your opinions on the issue of the Summer Fridays mask. That's everything from me today. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you haven't already, as I would love to see you again on a future video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're doing really, really well, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon on my next one. Bye-bye.